Hi, I'm Brad Allen from BradAllenDrums.com. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Gibraltar drum throne, and this is the throne that I've been using now for over 20 years. Okay, so this is the Gibraltar 9608MB moto style throne with a backrest. Before this throne, I had a hydraulic throne. I don't remember what brand it was, but I do remember that after a short while, the hydraulic lift stopped working on that throne, and so I had to throw it away. This throne is the exact same throne I've had now for actually over 20 years, and it's the reason why I've been slowly switching all my hardware over to Gibraltar because, quite frankly, it lasts. I think it's built out of a different kind of metal than some of the other companies. So the backrest. I started having problems with my back clear back when I was in high school, you know, from practicing all the time. And so I eventually realized getting a drum throne with a backrest would be a big advantage. Notice this one has leg cutouts, and you've got, it's kind of beveled where your legs come down, so it's more comfortable. It's a very comfortable seat. Double leg bracing, very solid, and again, because of the leg cutouts, it doesn't get in your way while you're playing. Your legs have completely, free movement. So I can't recommend this throne, highly enough. I don't know why anybody would want any other throne, quite honestly. The only thing I'll say about it, it is a little bit heavy to move around. That's the only disadvantage, but I put up with that for the solid build and the comfort. Let me show you another angle here. Okay, so here is the back of the throne. That backrest is adjustable. The height on the stool is adjustable, of course. You'll notice the fabric is torn a little bit. I think I've actually dropped it out of the back of my van on numerous occasions, so I should probably need to go to an upholstery shop and have them fix that for me. But other than that, everything is in fantastic shape still after all these years. The material itself is in good shape. That's a little bit of vinyl around the outside there that actually tore. But all the metal, all the clasps, everything still works. So again, this is the stool that I recommend when my students ask. That's all I have for today. And I'll be sure to include a link in the notes where you can order this throne.